Hi everyone, this is Spring again from IBM ECM Level 2 Support Team Asia Pacific region. So in this video, I will show you how to execute the step 4, create operator catalog and also install the operator. Okay, actually the playbook will go through the following bullet point. You can see, first it will create a CP project, then it will download the NFS provisioner and create a dynamic storage class, and then we'll use the keys to change the image content source policy, and then we'll create our operator catalog. And next, it will at last it will install the operator. Okay, let's go through the playbook. Okay. Okay, here this is the Ansible catalog and underscore playbook. Okay, first we can see actually first we will locate it in the the NFS server, and the first step will copy the NFS setup shell to NFS server. Okay, so let's look at this NFS shell here. Okay, we'll copy that shell to the NFS server. Then we'll create the NFS the root folder. Okay, all those ECM data will be located at this folder. Okay, then we'll change the owner and also change group for this. I'll also change mode, and we will add this line at the end of etc expose file, and then we restart the NFS server. Okay, that's it. Okay, then we'll okay, this is NFS. You can see after this command being executed, the NFS will be set up on the NFS server. Okay, and then we're back to the Bastion server. Okay, we'll also create copy the OC underscore new project shell. Okay, and next we'll create this project. Okay, the OC will create a new project on the OpenShift. Okay, and then we'll copy the NFS provisional shell to work the to CP4BA working directory, and then run that command to first download the NFS provisioner, and then we will execute this NFS underscore provisioner dot shell, provision dot shell. We will check this shell. Okay. Okay, this is NFS provision shell. You can see. Okay, after we unzip this file, download an unzip file, we'll go to this file and we'll replace some parameter with this. We will cover that with like OCP project name in this YAML. Okay, and also the NFS host and root directory in the deployment YAML. Okay, then we'll apply RBAC and also some privilege, and also we'll apply deployment and the class YAML. Then finally we will provision NFS provisional port in the newly created OCP project. Here the project name is IBM-CP4BA. Okay. Then back to the Word documentation. Okay. And then next we'll also copy the operator PBC YAML to a working directory, and we will apply the operator share PBC YAML. Okay, in the OCP project. And next we'll create an image content source policy command. Okay, and this command will call all the nodes in the OCP cluster will be rescheduled and change status. So we need to check. But before that, we will go through create a configuration map for the soft side certificate. Those are also soft side certificate change for those change. Then we will also add this patch additional trust CA into the resource, and also we will change the image URL, okay, to that. And then after that, we will repeatedly checking the node info. So that's why I mentioned early. That means actually apply that image content policy. The node info will be changed. So we will repeatedly check that. Okay. And after that, we'll create a catalog. Create a catalog shell. This is important shell. We need to check that. Okay, just hold on. Create catalog shell template. Here is also similar. You can see, and this is a case 2 command, but we utilize Ansible variable here. Okay, to create a catalog, and then after catalog create, we will also copy that image URL as I mentioned earlier, the common service catalog version. Okay, we need clearly pointing to to a specific version of common service catalog version. Okay, and then okay, we'll execute that change catalog shell to change that image URL, catalog image URL. Okay. Then next we will be executing the install CP4BA operator shell. Okay, let's check. This is also install CP4BA operator. Okay, also this install operator you can see here. Okay, after all this done, then we will repeatedly check the port info. Like first we will check that operator port, if operator port is show up. Okay, if operator port like this is show up. Okay, IBM-CP4BA-operator is show up. After the catalog is created, we will check this. Okay, and then we will check all the port info in this namespace. Okay, this operator catalog operator status is finally become 1/1. That means actually we cannot fetch 0/1 in the end. Okay, they will repeatedly check, and also they will repeatedly checking the port info in the common service namespace. Here, actually, we utilize the Ansible until retry and delay. We can see okay, let me show you the result. Lab nodes. Okay, here we can see. Here's the node. You can see it's check the node info, right? It's all ready. Then we'll proceed to the next to repeatedly checking the port info. Okay, you can see here it's checking the operator port show up. That means IBM dash CP4BA operator. You can see the retry. Okay, retry count until 10 retries. Okay, 10 retries. It got the operator port show up, and also you can see the checking the post status. Okay, actually this is post status. Okay, also the post status in the common service. Okay, of all this down, actually this Ansible, all the Ansible tasks in this playbook are completed. Okay, I think that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.